Welcome to appleguide. In this video tutorial, we're going to show you how, in simple steps, you can configure your MacBook so that if it goes missing, it could be recovered. Go to System Settings. Scroll down to Lock Screen. Just look at Require Password after screensaver begins or display is turned off. There are various options which ranges from 5 seconds to 8 hours. Or you might decide never to set a time limit for your system. The only problem is if your MacBook goes missing and you don't set a time limit, it will be easy for an intruder to gain access to your documents, files, accounts, and other things. 5 minutes is an ideal time. The most amazing thing about this is where you can set show message when locked, which is here. So I have to use a password, modify settings. So I had already set it, but I have to unlock it to show you how to set it. So if you check set, and here what I'm going to do is I'm going to input my email account. Check OK. Now what it is if my MacBook goes missing and then it logs out after 5 minutes, if somebody finds it, that email will pop up on my screen after 5 minutes. And then if it's a good Samaritan, the person will send me an email on how to get my MacBook. This is how you can recover a missing MacBook.